So who else hates killing bugs, especially like big, gross spiders? Yes, this girl, I can't stand them. They creep me out. I'm getting like uncomfortable thinking about it. So I found this thing online. It's this Brenium spider catcher. And the idea is you can catch a spider from a distance, as you can see, like this distance, and it's catch and release. So you can catch the spider with this and you can go put it safely outside without killing the thing. So for me, it comes in handy because I don't have to go anywhere near the spider, especially those big gross ones. And my 8-year-old daughter, like, she freaks out every time we kill a bug. Like, she wants to either save them in some kind of weird container or go put them outside. And this thing is perfect for that. So let me show you guys how it works. It actually came with these little plastic spiders so you can test it out. Let's pretend this is a spider on your floor. So you're going to use the handle here and you're going to push on that and the bottom comes out just like that. And we are going to go ahead and get that spider, put it right over the top and pick it up just like that. But then when you take it outside, you just let it go and you let it run into nature. You couldn't really see before, but basically the way it works is you hit this top lever here and it opens it, and then you let it go to close it, and then you hit it again to open it. This thing also comes apart to save space, and it does come with this lid as well. So the cool thing is you can use it for any bug, but also there's no chemicals involved. So that's the other thing that I really like this thing for, because I don't have to spray, like soak my house in chemicals. I know, because like I said, I hate spiders so much, I will take out any cleanser or any kind of bug killer I have, and I will just soak my house to get rid of them. And I don't like to do that. So this thing definitely avoids all of that.